Today I want to show you guys this sit and stand table. The brand sent me to make a video for you guys. This is really nice, very cool table. You can see while you are standing, you can easily do your work. If you are working with a computer, you can easily do so, and you can also place like TV or monitor like this. So that is really cool. And once you press the button over here, with the camera, it's a little bit difficult to read, but over here it tells you exactly what is the height right now. It is on the max 46.5 inches, so that's the max it can go, and it can go down all the way down, and it allows you to set up your dedicated, let's say if you have like some task that you are working on, let's say you are just working with the computer, you can just raise it and set your the number, and then if you are sitting, you can just press once and it will just go through. Right now it's just gonna go all the way down to 34. You don't have to press and hold, so that is really good, very customizable. The installation took only like about 15 minutes, very straightforward installation. You just need to put the legs and the top part and you are basically done with it. So you can see right now it is on 34.4 inches. You can even go further down, so that is really good. And the cable length is pretty decent. You can see it still have a lot of room. So on the bottom you can see it has the motor over here and the cables. So let me see if I can show you guys better. So this is the bottom section. This middle part goes inside this, so that is how it just turn the both legs. So that this is the main motor, and that transition the power to the other leg. So that's what you need to put inside. And you can see it has nice large area you can easily work on. So let me show you guys like this. So it is like 19-inch, and from the other side it is like 31 and a half, and it almost looks like one piece. It's very uh, minimal, tiny bit space in between. If you don't get too close, you won't really recognize that this is two pieces at the wood section. Overall it works really well, performs really well, goes up and down really nicely, very easy to move around. It doesn't have wheel on the bottom, but it is easy to move around because it is not too heavy. So I usually move this over there while watching TV or just moving this side, so that is really convenient. I hope you guys found this useful.